Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Because let's face it, your wallet deserves the best. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing, where dreams come in layers. On the left, we've got the Ender 3v2 Neo, and on the right, the Creality Ender 3v3. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be one layer at a time. First up, let's talk about the thing that makes or breaks a deal: price. The Ender 3v2 Neo comes in at a budget-friendly $199. That's less than a fancy dinner for two. Meanwhile, the Creality Ender 3v3 is a bit more of a high roller at $299. For that price, it better print me a steak dinner. Now on to assembly. The Ender 3v2 Neo is like IKEA furniture. Pre-installed and only 3 steps away from making your 3D dreams come true. Perfect for those of us who think Allen Key is a new DJ. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 also boasts an easy setup, but let's be real. It's got a lot more bells and whistles, so you might need to channel your inner engineer. Next, we have bed leveling. The Ender 3v2 Neo features a CR Touch 16-point automatic bed leveling system. It's like having a robot butler making sure everything is just right. Meanwhile, the Creality Ender 3v3 also sports a CR Touch sensor for auto leveling. So it's a tie here, folks. Both are smarter than your average toaster. When it comes to user interface, the Ender 3v2 Neo offers a 4.3-inch UI with a model preview function. It's like having a sneak peek at your future masterpiece. The Creality Ender 3v3 steps it up with an intuitive touch UI screen and real-time model preview. Think of it as the iPhone of 3D printers, smooth, sleek, and ready to swipe right. Build plate time. The Ender 3v2 Neo comes with a PC spring steel magnetic build plate. It's like the Swiss Army knife of build plates. Good adhesion and easy removal. The Creality Ender 3v3, however, focuses on stability with its robust structure and precision-engineered components. It's like comparing a trampoline to a concrete slab. Both have their uses. Extruders and printing capabilities. The Ender 3v2 Neo features a full metal extruder, which means less nozzle blockage and more printing fun. The Creality Ender 3v3, however, is like the superhero of 3D printers with its Sprite Direct Extruder, 60W ceramic heater, and ability to handle various filaments. It's like the Hulk of 3D printing. Last but not least, additional features. The Ender 3v2 Neo is all about that silent motherboard life, perfect for those late-night printing marathons. The Creality Ender 3v3, however, pulls out all the stops with phone control, Wi-Fi, and a filament shift sensor. It's like the James Bond of 3D printers, gadget-loaded and always ready for action. Summarizing the reviews, the Ender 3v2 Neo is praised for its affordability, ease of assembly, and quiet operation, making it a great entry-level choice for those willing to learn the ropes of 3D printing. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 garners mixed reviews. While many users love its speed, advanced features, and print quality, some have faced issues with reliability and customer support. Overall, it's a powerful machine for those willing to invest a bit more and potentially deal with some troubleshooting. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The Ender 3v2 Neo is your budget-friendly, easy-to-assemble, silent companion. Meanwhile, the Creality Ender 3v3 is the high-speed, versatile, feature-packed beast. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a comparison. Until next time, keep buying smart. Happy printing, everyone! Product links are in the description.